How to buy Neuer token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token, you can find it on the screener. It's available there. As you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 94%. That means that your investment in the safe place. Now, as you can see, this token, it's under the Solana network. Now, to be able to buy, just copy the token address from here, open your Phantom wallet, and after that, log into your wallet. Now, after that, need to click on swap. Now here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, and after that, click here and paste the token address here. After that, as you can see, this is it. Just click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you receive. And here in the provider, just select one of these providers, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page and switch the slippage, because the most time this slippage that cause the issues in your buy process or custom bits. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Neuer token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.